He spotted you! Stay on him, boy! I'm getting after him. Catch me up.
Yeah. Walton's as bad as you say he is. Why don't we just beef him now while we got the chance?
Because that ain't how the law works. Stay with me, for Christ's sake.
Let's go! Yeah.
Come on.
Come on! Let's go!
Hold up, Marston. He must be at the old Pleasance house. Probably best we take it on foot from here.
Yeah!
Looks like we got company, boys.
Damn! Take cover! We'll work our way up this hill.
Hey, yeah, you, over here.
Marston, I got you covered. Move up to that wagon. There's one behind the crate. Take him down.
You're out, you bunch of schoolgirls!
Head for the crate, boy. I'll cover you. Take that fella behind the rock, boy. Yeah!
You ain't getting there, Walton!
Move up to that rock. I'll keep you covered. There's another one behind the outhouse, boy. Take cover behind the outhouse. Careful, there may be more of them. You better be at peace with the Lord. Why don't you try pointing it at somebody before you pull the trigger, genius? There's two more standing in the house. I'll let it come your way. Yeah!
Who's that woman you brought with you, Marshal?
Oh my God! I'll back you up to hell's back door, Walt. Stay with me. Walt's inside the house. Take him alive if you can. Damn you! Walt, your killing days are over. It'll be trial and the rope for you.
Not a bad shot, Mr. Marston. Why don't you check in with me next time you're in town?
I don't want to be no policeman, Marshal.
Nor did I, my friend. I can promise you that. I'll see you soon, Mr. Marston.
Yeah. Oh, now.
Can I borrow this, friend?
phone.
You got anything interesting, friend?
There's much treasure here. You want map? I retire. Here, take map. You earn it.
Thanks, mister. I could use a little luck. Come on. Let's go. Go. Come on.
How are you?
Yeah. Easy.
I told him I wasn't buying any land until I found the property.
Hello? Hello? It's Armadillo 731. What is it with these things? Hello? It's a new line. Hello? Hello?
Sounds fun. What's happening?
I have no idea. Yeah, if it's important, they'll send someone down like they did with you.
Suddenly the world is full of theys.
Yeah. I remember when we first got here. We used to consider people from Dade County to be exotic. Now guys can get here from the Midwest, and they can do it in 6 days.
Things have changed.
They've gotten away from me. Hello? I don't understand it no more, boy. Honest to goodness.
I'm not sure I do.
Marshall! 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 I've just been up in the canyon, spying like you said. I think I seen me a couple of them rustlers. I think it was the Ballard twins and a couple of Mexicans.
They up there right now?
Well, it was a group of 4 men rounding up Mr. Gulch's livestock, and none of them looked like any of Gulch's hands, so yes, sir, right now.
That sarcasm's most unbecoming, Eli. It's gonna hold you back in life, even worse than your lazy eye. All right, let's go. You ride with us again, Marston?
Will you help me?
I will try.
It'd be my pleasure.
He's just a boy. Why me?
Come on!
Stay with us, Marston. You never know. The Ballard twins might have set up an ambush. We need to stick together, boy. Them rustlers might be waiting for us. Are you sure it was the Ballard twins, Eli?
Sure as shooting. I'd know those boys any place.
Are these the same rustlers who've been causing the McFarlands so much trouble?
You want to avoid a rope around your neck, I'd advise you to stay on 2 feet around that ranch, Marston.
They rustle them one day and sell them in Thieves' Landing the next. They've been making more money than they can keep dry.
Drew's got enough problems without these bastards stealing his cattle. Why haven't you done anything, Marshal?
Look around you, boy. It ain't exactly difficult for a man to stay on the dodge out here, especially around Pike's Basin. That place is like a labyrinth.
A labyrinth what?
A labyrinth, you idiot. Spelled D-U-M-B.
Settle down, boys. We're gonna need our wits about us. The Ballards have built up quite a posse. Come on.
Come on!
So I hear you and Miss McFarland are like a hand in glove these days, Mr. Marston.
Zipping around her ankles like a puppy won't get mama, I hear.
Not far now. Eyes open, boys. fort! Be ready, boys. We're probably gonna be outnumbered.
And those bastards ain't short on firepower, neither.
Let's see how many there are. If we can take them alive, good. If not, smoke the sons of bitches.
Music to my ears, Marshal.
Rustler, find some cover!
Not on me!
Help me out here, will you?
Where's your branding iron now?
Like that, Marshal, hit. This way! Your wrestling days are over.
Let's split up. You take the left, boys. I'll go right. Marston, you can go with the deputies. Cover me.
Let's go, Marston. Get a move on.
Right, I'm in charge now.
That was some pretty damn good shooting, John.
Yup, maybe you ain't the tenderfoot I thought you was.
Coming from you, friend, that's a real compliment.
Oh my good God!
On the goddamn law. All right, boys, let's move up to the bridge.
What the hell?
Don't think you'll be needing this.
Stay with me. Are you kidding me?
Woo! Keep dropping it like that, boy.
Run away, pal!
Marston swat rustlers like flies.
Sweet mother of God! Marston got one!
Hell no. What are you waiting for? Do something.
They're trying to stop us getting through the bridge!
Where are they all coming from?
Hey, was that you or me? We've come from the stolen cattle.
I think I got my eye back.
Follow me.
Excuse me, mister.
Full foot. Let's cross while we still can. Come on, up the hill. Let's blaze our way to that ridge.
That's enough, my friend!
Keep moving, boys. The marshal's by himself.
I'll kill you twice, you son of a bitch. What's gonna go, big boy? We should cross paths with the marshal up here.
He's been giving them hell on the other side.
That marshal of yours sure doesn't seem to mind getting his hands dirty.
Oh, he ain't afraid to pull the trigger, all right.
And he's been after these rustlers for a long time.
He'd tell you he's all about the book, letting the judge decide a man's fate, but he doles out plenty of his own justice, too. But goddamn it, how many of these bastards are there? More like that, Marston, here.
I can't take much more of this. Where's your branding iron now? Let's push on to the
Are you
bridges.
kidding? What you doing back there?
I'll kill the hell out of you.
We have to help him, quick!
Now what next?
Come on, then! Stand up without a reason.
Yeah. You sure put that feller to bed.
What kept you boys? Come on, let's regroup.
What you got on
What
you,
the
friend?
hell? Come on! Keep up!
On the goddamn law. You ain't leaving Pike's Basin alive.
This looks as good a spot as any. Gather around, listen up. All right, stealthy as you can, boys. Let's get as close to those bastards as we can.
Come on! Let him have it! Watch out for the hostages, Andy! Yeah.
Good shooting, boy.
Stop shooting at me!
Sweet mother of God!
Nice shot. That bastard won't be rustling no more. There's one of them.
This way!
I'm giving you one last chance to put your hands in the air.
Forgive me, friend.
Your restless days are over. I'm gonna beat the lot of you. I wouldn't do that if I was you, boy.
Thanks, Marshal. We're indebted to you with our lives.
Just get them cattle back safe.
All right. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Well done, Mr. Marston.
Yes, well done.
Now, about Williamson.
I'll do what I can. You know, as you can see, this country is infested with all manner of scum.
Say that again.
Well, one other thing, Marston. Mr. Johnson, sir. It's Mr. Wes Dickens. He's missing.
Who?
Mr. Wes Dickens, the tonics merchant. He was due in town last week.
Oh, the narcotic and bat piss salesman. who cons housewives out of their money with promises of eternal youth.
Yes, him, but I think you're being a little unfair. He's helped a great many of the county, and many of the townsfolk are really missing him.
You hear that, Marston? We just butchered a gang of thieves, and the town is up in arms about a missing snake oil merchant. I am so glad to be serving such a wise and respectable people. Come on, Eli.